Now I'm going to show you three different codes and their outputs. The first one is the MQTT broker that's connected to the Raspberry Pi. Once we run the code, we can see that MQTT connected means that the Raspberry Pi is connected to the MQTT. Now we can see light sensor values are more than 300, so the LED turns off. When we turn off the light, the dip in the light sensor values will be less than 300, so the LED will turn on. The light is off and the light sensor values are less than 300, so the LED is turned on. The second code is the telemetry, which will be sent from the Raspberry Pi to the MQTT broker. Once it's ran, we can see MQTT connected. That means the Raspberry Pi is connected to the MQTT broker. Now we're sending telemetry, which is the light sensor's values in a JSON format to the MQTT broker. And we can see the values are more than 300, so the LED is turned on. If the lights were off, the light sensor values would be less than 300, and those values would be sent to the MQTT broker. The third code is a server code, and that is listening for telemetry. And once a telemetry is received, it does a specific action like turning on the LED or turning off the LED. Once we run the code, we can see message received. That means the telemetry has sent a message to the server, and then it's doing LED underscore on, which is a function, and that is false because it's more than 300 the value, so the LED doesn't turn on. Once the light is off, we can notice that there's a spike in the light sensor value, which means that the light sensor value is less than 300, so the function becomes true and the LED turns on.